Every story counts. Every patient matters. Behind every diagnosis is a story of courage, community, and care. At Tennessee Oncology, we believe in the power of community because no one faces this journey alone. Together, we're stronger. Every patient's story adds to our own.
Founded in 1976 by Dr. Stuart Spigel in Nashville, Tennessee Oncology has stayed true to its mission, delivering high-quality cancer care and advanced clinical research to patients close to home. This guiding principle continues to drive us today. Cancer is a word that changes lives in an instant, but with every challenge comes strength, resilience, and the determination to fight. We are here to ensure no one faces that fight alone.
Community at Tennessee Oncology is so important to me because it has saved my life. The doctors at Tennessee Oncology have been able to connect therapy and radiation treatments in ways that have been able for me to be here today and take care of my family. It is so important to have the support of physicians because they're your advocate to get things done. They're your advocate when you have problems with your insurance. They're your advocate when you can't get your medication. They're your advocate to get you well. A year into my treatment, I had a really hard time accessing my medicine, and we had to go through a certain company. And Tennessee Oncology was able to advocate for me in order to be able to get my medication. Without it, I wouldn't be here today. And it was a lifesaver. It was really a lifesaver.
Tennessee Oncology is more than just a cancer care provider. We are a community that provides support, innovation, and advocacy for our patients. It is a network of physicians, nurses, researchers, and support staff here for our patients to provide the highest quality of care, including cutting-edge clinical trials and treatments that are found usually in academic centers, but we're able to provide that close to home.
Supporting patients means listening to the providers, listening to people in the healthcare settings, listening to the patients about their concerns and things that maybe the state could do better, or maybe products or drugs that could come to market, and trying to listen to them and make sure that they have options available to them, as well as making sure we continue with innovation and technology and getting those into the healthcare settings and not limiting it due to cost or other burdens. I think it's really important long-term to make sure that if someone has a treatment that is available to them, and cost is one of the driving factors, sometimes it's a limiting factor, but also making sure that we continue to work with everybody involved and try to overcome those issues to provide the best patient care we can in our state.
So Park Pharmacy takes care of the prescriptions for patients at Tennessee Oncology. We provide advocates to help them with any kind of financial issues they're having. We counsel the patients, we help mitigate side effects, really a comprehensive approach to helping these patients get the best outcome that they can. As a medically integrated pharmacy, Park Pharmacy is able to access lab values, the records. We have direct access to the providers, the nursing staff, in a way that you could not do at a regular community pharmacy. So it's a superior model to help these patients achieve the best outcome. Community support, whether it be from a pharmacy or a provider or a support group, is critical in oncology patients. They're already facing a very difficult challenge, and so they need all the help and assistance that they can get along the way.
It's important for us to be in contact with our patients, to get feedback from our patients so we know what is working and what is not.
So our community advisory board model is based on the premise that the patients in their communities as equal stakeholders are actually the expert in people facts. It's about being humble and listening and realizing if we're trying to implement a plan, that some things regarding social barriers or ways that technology may interface with folks, that really they're the ones that might know this best. And if we engage them in the process and build it together, we're going to create a better result.
My experience here at Tennessee Oncology has improved because Dr. Blakely has been my advocate for my health and my survival. I couldn't have done it without her and so many others that she has introduced me to get on my journey.